Good morning. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to download and install CSI Linux. We're going to focus on the virtual appliance. Essentially, you would click on either VirtualBox or VMware. So when you click on download the virtual appliance, just remember where it's being downloaded to. I am going to time warp and then go to the actual folder that we have. So I have an E/VM folder. This is where I'm going to be putting the actual VirtualBox appliance in. And I also have the downloads. So a couple ways you can do this. One way is, say I've already downloaded it. What I would usually do at this point would be pushing it over to that VM folder. And then from here, just open up 7Z and extract. So I'm going to extract it into the CSI folder. So the name of the VBox. This is going to take a little bit of time. So what I'm going to do is pause the video and then time warp. Okay, we are now back. Now we should see a folder. Inside the folder is going to be your main files. So you have the VBox file, the VDI, which is going to be the hard drive, and then document. So this right here is the config file for VirtualBox. So to make it a little bit more simple, instead of using the OVA, just go and double click on it, the VBox file, and now we see the VirtualBox right in here. So just go ahead and start. You see the new Grub boot screen. Now it's loading up in the Linux kernel. You might hear that, the external drive kind of crunching along in the background. So, username, password still the same. The user is CSI, and by default, the password is going to be CSI. So the biggest challenge a lot of people were coming across was downloading the 7Z file and not knowing what to do with it. So the 7Z file is the file that's being hashed on the site. So when you download it and you wanted to verify it, you verify the 7Z file to make sure it downloaded properly. And then at that point, you use 7zip to decompress it. And the reason why we chose 7Z is it compresses a lot better than we were getting with some of the other tools like zip. So we're saving disk space about 2 gig. So makes it a little bit better for the bandwidth and better for the disk storage. Yeah, outside that, should be good to go.